Alright YouTube, gone and got a nice bag of garnet, 30 to 60 grit sandblasting dust. Got a hopper feed one, suction feed one, tarp underneath us. Gonna have a go at the engine bay. Currently sitting in the engine bay to make it easy. Let's have a bit of a blast and see what we can't get off, eh? Block your ears, headphone users. I reckon this might go alright. Try the other one, I'll just set it up. So I was kind of doing it two-handed and just scooping a funnel full out of the bag. Or some in the funnel out of the bag at a time. And, you know, two-handing it. We're getting some pretty quick results. Done a bit there, done a bit down at the steering box and just testing it on different parts. What I'm going to do though is I've got this other big, decent length bit of rubber hose here. Just going to poke something between them, join them together. So I'll just stick it in the bag and just get it sucked straight out of the bag and see how we go. I'll come back to you. Alright, we're getting some blasting done. Just attacking the real problem areas to begin with. Doesn't it look nice and shiny? Nice fresh steel. I'm about 2/3 the way through our bucket, but I've sucked most of that up with the wet and dry vac off of the tarp down here. Yeah, I'm just going to get it cleaned up so we can see if anything's structurally rusty or if it's all just surface shit. Anyhow, making progress. I'll come back when I've done some more.